Hello students, let's do the crunchy canvas. The altitude of this pyramid is 35 and the slant height is 36. Okay, cool. The altitude is 35 units tall and the slant height is 36 units long. How can we find the value of x? Well, it looks like the altitude is right in the middle, so it goes x in each directions, and then, oh look, there's a formula over here, nice. The slant height is L, and then the altitude is h. Oh, that's right. This is a hypotenuse, and this is a leg, so this would be the other leg right here. So this x value is going to be right there, the missing leg. So how do we do this? It says right here. You would take the hypotenuse, square it, subtract the leg, oops, 35, bro, square it, and then you'd square root all of that noise. This, oh, that's right. That writing is so terrible. Let's make that look a little bit prettier. There we go. 35 squared. There we go. 36 squared minus 35 squared is the square root of 71. So this would be the square root of 71. Now I'm not going to square root it yet. I'm going to simplify it because if you look carefully, it says find x but leave it in rad form. So the square root of 71 in rad form, you would literally write, I don't have enough space here, you would write it as rad bracket 71, close the bracket. There we go. That's how you write it in rad form in words, because the square root symbol, the radical sign, isn't always easy to type. So the radical of 71, you'd say rad 71. So type that in right there. Make sure you include the brackets. Let's find the approximate value of the square root of 71, rad 71. What is rad 71? And that's also, it's easier to say rad 71 versus square root of 71, just less syllables. When you do rad 71, you get 8.42 to the nearest hundredth. Here we go. Yep, I rounded that correctly. Actually, I take it back. I looked at the next decimal, got ahead of myself. It's 8.426, so we should round that to a 3. There we go. All right, my handwriting is just awful today. What else we got? Find the perimeter of the square base. Okay, cool. So find the perimeter in rad form. So basically what you're saying is this side would be rad 71. This would be rad 71. This would be rad 71. This is rad 71, rad 71, rad 71. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh, all 8 pieces are rad 71. Okay, radical form would be 8 rad 71. That'd be the perimeter. There's 8 of them. There we go. There's 8 of these x values going around the square base. So there it is, 8 rad 71. Now what's the approximate value of 8 rad 71? That is to the nearest tenth, 67.4. 67.4. Again, these are all pre-calculated, so get up a Decimals calculator. You can calculate all these things pretty fast. All right, next move. Find the area of the square base. Ooh, the area of the square base is side times side, length times width, all those fun things. Ooh, what's one side? Well, one side would be 2 radicals of 71 together. This 71 and this 71 would be 2 of them. And then take it times the other side, that'd be 2 times the same thing. So 2 times the rad of 71. So 2 rad 71 times 2 rad 71. How could we simplify this? Well, 2 times 2 is 4. So we got that figured out. And then the radical of 71 times the radical of 71 is just, well, 71. So there we go. So then we multiply 4 times 71. When we do that, we get 284. All right, crazy stuff here, but all not too bad to figure out. So use the formula again. So slant height squared minus height squared is going to give you the value of x, but leave it in terms of a radical. All right, so in this case it's rad 71. Then actually put it in your calculator. The perimeter would be 8 rad 71s. Put 8 rad 71 in your calculator, and then 2 rad 71 times itself would be a 4, and then rad 71 times rad 71 makes a regular 71. So 4 times 71 gives our area a nice whole number. All right, that's it for the crunchy canvas. Good luck with radicals.